Hello. We all have a natural way to proceed when we negotiate. Remember that the better we know ourselves, the better we can adjust to the situation accordingly. So I invite you in this video to find out your profile of negotiation. Each participant in a negotiation has two important concerns during the negotiating process. The first concern is with outcome, also called substance of the agreement. The second concern is with the relationship with the other party. The concern for outcome might be expressed by one person through his or her determination to drive the best bargain at any cost. Negotiation styles depend on the degree of emphasis people choose to place on both. Distributive is when a high concern is expressed for the outcome and a low degree for the relationship. This style is characterized by pressure, intimidation, adversarial relationships, and the negotiator attempting to get as much as possible. A withdrawal behavior is produced when a low degree of concern for both the outcome and the relationship with the other party is expressed. This style is characterized by feelings of powerless, indifference to the outcome, resignation, and surrender. Accommodate is when the focus is on building a compatible relationship in the hope that the negotiation will be successful. This style is characterized by efforts to promote harmony, avoidance of substantial differences, yielding to pressure to persevere the relationship, and placing interpersonal relationships above the fairness of the outcome. An integrative behavior pattern is produced when a high degree of concern for both the outcome of the negotiation and the relationship with other party is expressed. Then when negotiators choose a compromise strategy, they tend to give up easily on their initial demands and accept some of the demands of the other counterpart. Now look at the table for pros and cons of each style of negotiation. In distributive negotiation, negotiators tend to be assertive, demanding, threatening. They will try to subdue and outpower the other side to accept their demands. They will try to win even when this entails cost to the other party. This type of negotiation can be effective when the negotiator is right and have enough time and resources. The outcome could be a win-lose situation. When withdrawing, the negotiator will try to avoid the negotiation at all, or at least avoid discussing issues which are conflicting or that may add to the tension already faced by the parties. This approach is commonly used in cultures in which conflict is considered dysfunctional, and therefore one must avoid creating or prolonging conflictive situations. The outcome would be to stand still. In accommodation, the negotiator accommodates the demands and needs of his or her counterpart. He or she regularly does not expect the same courtesy from the opponent in return. The causes behind the use of this approach could be sociocultural, transactional, or contextual. Outcome is that the negotiator would lose and the counterpart would win. When negotiating in an integrative way, negotiators invest all their efforts in exploring options with their counterparts, seeking common ground and shared interests. These negotiators aim to end the negotiation process with a win-win result. Integrative negotiation is characterized by searching for common interests with the other party, problem-solving behavior, and recognizing that both parties must get their needs satisfied. Collaborative behavior and synergistic solutions are the result. Uncompromising, the outcome of negotiators would be that both parties will lose something compared to what they hope to achieve in the process. The purpose of this style of negotiation is to alleviate some issues in the negotiation. For example, financial weakness, lack of time, urgency, or need to prevent that the conflict escalates. Compromising is effective when both negotiators are equally compelling, need each other, and when the long-term relationship is the purpose of this negotiation.